Stop the machine and check the drum and drain filter for foreign objects, like coins or pins. If the noise continues after restarting, call a technician.
This demo converts text into spoken audio using neural networks running on the microcontroller, without the cloud, known as text-to-speech, or TTS. TTS is the final building block of our MCU-based voice platform. The full pipeline goes from a spoken question and speech-to-text to local understanding with retrieval-augmented generation, and finally to a spoken response generated with TTS. This text-to-speech demo runs on the Alif Semiconductor App Kit, a platform designed for running neural networks directly on embedded devices. It is built around dual Cortex M55 CPUs and dual ARM Ethos U55 NPUs, accelerating on-device AI and machine learning workloads. The demo setup includes an Alif Ensemble kit and an external speaker. Let's see how it works.
Have all transport bolts and packaging been removed? Laundry may be unevenly distributed. Are all feet standing firmly on the floor? Check the installation guide for removing transport bolts. Stop the machine and redistribute the laundry. Adjust the feet.
As you can see, clear and natural-sounding speech is generated directly from text. In the next videos, we will show how these blocks are combined, from spoken request to spoken response on the MCU. Follow us on LinkedIn to stay updated, or get in touch with us.